Hello, this is Mike Sanders, CTO of Simply Be Found, and today I'm going to be going over posts. This is one of the tools that you'll see when you go into the location, and what you will see here is a view of all of our posts. Now this is for one of our clients, which is KW Printing. Now you'll see the image here, the details of the post, the status, and actions you can take. You can view to see how it looks. You can edit it, make changes to the photo, the post, your call to action, things of that nature. Or you can delete the post entirely. We also have the ability to search based on the post. We can sort it by the time it was done by. And you can filter it for all, published, scheduled, or draft. Now I will be going into those here in just a second. Now I'll show you how to create a post. From here you can add a photo, which is one of your own existing ones. You can choose from your existing media gallery, which seems to be having issues at the moment, and you'll see a video of it here. Just show you an example. So this is the image that you're uploading. You can take it and crop it. This is as small as you can crop it, or you can take the full size. You see your preview there. You can then put in whatever you want for your post. Your call to action button that you want. You have book an appointment, which you can put your link there. Order online, buy, learn more, sign up, or call me now. The main difference between each of these, all of these, this title right here is what will appear on the button on Google. And that's the same for all of these except for the call now. That'll have a dial direct. Now, once you do this, you have the options of publishing the post now. You can schedule the post to go out at a specific date, or you can save it as a draft. Now, if you schedule it, you can set the time right here. You go to the different months, choose your time, AM or PM. Like that. So we've scheduled the post. I need to put a link there. Actually, I want to just do that. Schedule now. And you can see the post is now scheduled. We can edit it and publish changes. You can save it as a draft. And at this point, on the 31st of August at 12:18, this post will go out. I want to delete it because they don't want that to actually happen. Right here is where you're going to be scrolling between all of your posts. Now, the important thing with posts for your local SEO with regards to Google My Business, this shows that you are actually active. So it is good to be doing one post a week. You will show on our to-do list here, it will ask you if you want to do a post today if you haven't done a post this week. That is all about posts. You'll see more videos on different features later. Thank you and have a good day.